Hi, I'm Dylan, and this is my Nerf Gun collection over here. And I know, don't make fun of my blanket because I had this when I was 2-year-old. It's just comfy. But this is my Nerf ammo box I got for Christmas. Puts on my radar. And this is my radar. Recon stuff. That's pretty much my brother's. On Max Strike, I got a Maverick, and my brother's holding his Maverick. We couldn't find other suction bullets, so we used streamline darts. What's that for? Okay, that's gonna be a blooper. And two strike fires, and I have those vests, 2 safety goggles. Oh, and this has all my stuff, like my recon extra clips, all my other bullets, cap gun. I don't know if these caps have any stuff in it. Because I cannot pull it out. And this is the rocket launcher. I do not know where the bullets are. Shot one behind my refrigerator over there. This is my buzz saw, and has one ball in it, so you didn't know where the other one was. It has a buzz thing, and and don't be silly, because don't think I'm crazy, because I sometimes, from Halo, I call this an assault rifle from Halo. I just call it one because I think it looks like one. So don't think I'm crazy if I call it an assault rifle. This is my Buzz-B shotgun. They kind of ripped me off because it only shoots out of this barrel. This other one's broken. And and this is my light. It goes to the Maverick. Here's a close up at it. There. Goes on the Maverick. Too bored. Well, my mom said that I only have 2 minutes left on the video, so I wasn't actually bored, bud. This is my rapid fire AS-20. It's not loaded. And long shot, pretty much know what it is because it's pretty much common. And the Type Finder, Tech Target, I think. It's not really, it looks not broken, but it doesn't really shoot as far as it used to. So is my brother. It's also broken. This is stuff that goes to recon. The laser's broken. See, you can only see the light. It doesn't really shine. Pretty much my brother's. And my Vulcan, pretty much know that, 2 vests. And I think that's pretty much all of it. Oh, and that's my helicopter. Now I'm going to show you my brother's Nerf guns. Talk to me.
I'm done. Can I do all the talking, please?
I want to do the thing.
Please let me do it.
Logan, don't make me do this video all over again, please. And this is his rocket launcher. It's his Maverick with streamline darts in it. Freeze, Puman! And he doesn't have much. This is his recon. Rocket launcher I already told you about, I think. His N4 sword. Goodbye. My mom's won't let me. Mom, please!